Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Back up to iCloud or a computer and make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords and your carrier PIN. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to force radio renegotiation. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are off briefly if troubleshooting cellular. You perform these quick steps to clear transient radio issues and gather everything needed before the definitive action. This avoids data loss and speeds the final fix. You restart the iPhone to clear software caches, then power it back on and reset the SIM to ensure physical contact. Use the eject tool and check for damage. Next, check Settings General about to trigger carrier updates and install any iOS updates in Settings General Software Update, because firmware mismatches often break connectivity. Once done, forget and rejoin troublesome Wi-Fi networks, so you rule out saved profile corruption before you now perform the only definitive fix, Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. This wipes Wi-Fi, VPN, APN, and cellular settings, restoring radios to known defaults. You will re-enter credentials afterward. After the reset, reboot, reconnect to Wi-Fi, reconfigure VPN or APN values if needed, and verify calls and data. If you still see problems, swap in a different SIM to isolate carrier provisioning. If that fails, contact your carrier because the issue may be account or tower related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.